Zoom Alt R.
Hi, this is
Solving.
Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to do all of your math work in Word using Office 365. That's the ideal. You can kind of get away with 2019, but I'm going to tell you the ideal is Office 365. And this is for Google Classroom schools, and you're going to upload it into Google Drive, and the teacher will open it, and it will look great. They won't know that it's actually unreadable in Google Docs. In Google Docs, if you use it, it only comes out as UEB and very basic math. Once you get into more complicated math, you're really going to need to choose a heftier program like 365 and LaTeX and Unicode, and of course, MathType, etc. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you do this. I'm going to type in 11.
11 space.
I'm going to G.7 in space so I can hear what mode I'm in.
Contracted out computer in.
And that is my favorite, contracted out computer in. I'm going to go ahead and do all equals.
All equals.
And I'm just going to do
1
something
/
really easy.
Plus 3 / 4 equals space.
Okay, and 1 1/4. Oh, I guess I'll go ahead.
1
No
/ 4.
Okay, so visually you see that's absolutely flawless. I'm going to hit enter.
Enter.
And I'm going to up arrow.
11 math content 1/2 plus 3/4 equals 1 1/4.
Okay. And it's also tell them that's actually math content, so they're going to right arrow into it. They would hit their end, and of course they're going to do equals and solve. So I'm going to go ahead and save this with F12.
F12. Save as dialog. File name. Edit combo. A F I R space.
Okay.
U P L O A D. Upload. F O R T E C H.
So I know which one I'm going to
enter.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Alt F4.
Alt F4. Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs. Zoom.
Now I'm going to Alt Tab to my drive.
Screen sharing. Zoom. My Drive. Google Drive. Personal. Microsoft Edge.
Okay. I'm going to immediately caps lock Z for cursor off.
Off.
And I'm going to hit
C. New button menu. Press space to activate the menu and navigate with arrow keys. New folder 1 of 8. To move through items, press up or down arrow.
And I'm going to go file upload.
DC. File upload. Enter. File name. Leaving menus. Open dialog. File name. Edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt plus N. U P L O.
I know it is upload.
Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs.
And enter.
Enter. Uploading one item dialog. Uploading one item. Uploading one item. Minimize button. Close button. Starting upload.
Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and GN for Go Navigation.
GN. Navigation region. Folders and views preview. GN. Shared with recent.
Down to recent and enter.
Enter. Main region. 1 columns and 1 rows. Not selected. Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs Word upload.
I'm going to hush them up. I'm going to hit X to select.
X selected.
I'm going to go ahead and hit the letter A.
A. Context menu. Menu loading. Context menu has pop-up. To navigate, press up or down arrow. Open with sub menu. 1 of 9.
Open with.
Enter. Preview. 1 of 6.
Down to Google Docs.
Google Docs. 2 of 6.
Hit enter.
Enter. Opening new tab. Leaving menus. Google Docs. Microsoft Edge. Personal. Google Docs document. On. Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs. Google. Welcome to Office editing document. Loading complete.
Okay.
Document content edit. Blank. Type in text.
And it is flawless. Now, once again, this is not accessible for blind students with screen readers, but it is perfectly laid out for the sighted teacher. They're going to see it. They're going to be able to grade it. It's all hunky-dory. So that's how you do that. So let's say you need to share it with your teacher. I'm going to go ahead and Alt-Shift-F. A lot of times you can do Alt-F, but every once in a while it'll take you to the settings menu, which is kind of annoying, but Alt-Shift always works. So I'm going to Alt-Shift-F.
Alt-Shift-F. Document read-only application control menu. S. Share with others. S.
S to share.
Enter.
Enter.
Leaving menus. Loading. Document. Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs. Google Docs document. Menu. List of D E N I S E R O D.
Send it to myself.
Denisrob at GMAILGCOM.
Okay, and I'm going to hit enter.
Com. Enter. Denisrob Gmail. Com. Denisrob Gmail.
Tab
Leaving menu.
send.
Notify. Message edit. Blank.
You're
Type.
sending it to your teacher. Please see attached, all that stuff.
Copy link button. Cancel button. Send button. To activate.
Send.
Press N space.
And enter. And that is how easy
Blank. Type in text. Access up.
it is to do the work. When you get this work, you're actually going to download it. So let me show you how to do that. Alt-Shift-F.
Alt-Shift-F. Document read-only application control D. Microsoft
D,
Word.
download,
Docs.
and there you are. Microsoft Word. Hit enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Document content edit. Blank. Type in text. Downloading.
Okay.
Upload for text solving compound.
Windows E.
Windows E. Home.
Okay. I'm going to Alt-D.
Alt-D. Address bar edit. Home. D-O-N-L-A-D.
Downloads.
S.
Enter.
Downloads. Enter. Items view multi-select list box. Today expanded. Unconfirmed 145037. Download. Download file.
Still downloading.
Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs.
Enter.
Enter.
And
Opening Word.
it opens. And there
Upload for text solving compound inequalities. Docs Word.
And now you can do the work when they do that. Let's say they just typed it out and it's actually in UEB. You can literally do a control A.
Selected. Solving compound inequality. Solve each inequality period. X plus 5 greater than 6 and 6x less than or equal to
And you
18
can
minus
do
11 less than x. All equals.
And immediately change it to math. So that is a really quick trick to change text directly into the proper math.
Blank. Blank. 11. 1 half plus 3/4 equals 1. 1/4.
And there you are. Okay. So that is how you go back and forth between Google Docs and Google Drive and Office. So that is the trick to math in Google Classroom. Thanks.
Zoom Alt Q. End meeting for all. Enter.